Welcome to StableOps, R&G's cutting-edge data-driven methodology for process stability and accountability in manufacturing environments. With this methodology, you will unlock the next level of growth and productivity in your manufacturing processes. Improve output per day by finding the true root cause of operational defects. StableOps means continuous improvement with daily and weekly rhythms combined with team discipline. Let us introduce you to our 10-step process for successful continuous improvement. What is StableOps? StableOps is a management system for continuous improvement that drives growth, higher asset utilization, and process stability. Its objective is the reduction and elimination of variance in manufacturing processes. It is a way of working and leading that drives continuous improvement. It facilitates institutional learning by demanding uniform application of standards and accountable behaviors. It connects your business strategy to shop floor metrics and uncovers opportunities hidden behind aggregated KPIs. It is a 10-step methodology that guarantees results. How to start? Process methodology. Our methodology consists of 10 steps, 3 main phases, and 30 deliverables. In the first phase, the opportunity phase, we perform a StableOps quick scan with different surveys that check the consistency and use of operational standards, your performance measurement system, and change capability. We look at granular level operational data to unlock new insights. In general, the opportunity phase unlocks your new higher output and capacity against flawless execution, but corrected for the different known operational issues. At the end of the opportunity phase, a full business case is ready to support installation of the StableOps system. Getting involved. Transition phase. In the transition phase, we set up the StableOps management system. We train operational leaders. At R&G, we believe that operating rules and metrics are the fundamentals for unlocking higher productivity. The StableOps management system allows for correct performance of integrated daily execution meetings and integrated weekly execution meetings for understanding variation and remediating deviations from the standards, which we call DENS. We bring standard dashboards to align your measurement system and daily, weekly, and monthly rhythms, connecting strategic to operational management. Through root cause analysis and remediating DENS, we also align your continuous improvement project portfolio. All of our methodologies, StableOps, stable supply chain, and stable maintenance focus on granular level data. At the end of the transition phase, improving on your standards becomes the new mindset. Benefits of the sustain phase. In the last phase, the sustain phase, we increase your production capability and calculate all other improvements that have come in the slipstream of setting up the StableOps way of working. By eliminating variance, you can start to define new stable operation projects across different manufacturing sites. In the last step, we perform an audit of the StableOps system to check for any deviations from the new standards. After the StableOps project, we stay involved with StableOps audits and maturity assessments and interventions for remote support from R&G. If you would like to know more about stable operations, contact us at www.rnggc.com.